In this video, we are going to see about print statement and comments in Python. First of all, see here, syntax for this print statement is print keyword, open parenthesis, double quotes, and the statements, what statement we want to print. Okay. Now, see here, print, open parenthesis, single quotes, half moon coder. So, this half moon coder is printed at a console when we execute this statement. See here, half moon coder. Now, we only want to use these single quotes. No, we can use double quotes also. So see here I have used double quotes. So here also the result is same as the single quotes. Now, here I have used escape sequence. What is mean by escape sequence? An escape sequence is a special characters which are used to do some specific task in the runtime. See here, I have given half-moon coder \n programming with Pirai. Now, when I execute this, half-moon coder is printed. Okay, first this half-moon coder is printed. In next line, it prints programming with Pirai. Why it is printing in next line? Because see here, /n gives a new feed or new line, so that the cursor will move to next line when it sees /n. Now, see here in next example, /t. What is mean by /t? /t represents a tab space. So, name :/t Pirai. See here, name : here some tab spaces given in the place of /t. This is the use of /t. Now, see here, I have used /n in it and /t in it, and I want to use a backslash. But how we can use backslash? Just put double backslash so that one backslash is printed. Okay. Now, how to print single quotes? If I give a single quotes between it like this, it will also get executed. If I give a single quotes here and also a single quotes here, then it gives some error. So that we always use a backslash in front of this single quotes so that there will be no error is occurred. Now, see here, printing the double quotes are same as a single quotes as slash and double quotes. Now, backspace Pirai /b. /b represents a backspace. What is meant by backspace? A backspace is like I am deleting the last character. So in this, when I delete a last character, it gives PIRA. It deletes I. Now, next one is carriage return. This carriage return will overwrite some text on the previous text. See here, this using carriage return will be deleted and it is overwritten by this overwritten text. Okay. Now, see this output. I am Pirai. I am 20 years old. This is for the first print statement. I have used /n. Now, half moon : a tab space coder. So this is for this /t. Then printing backslash a backslash. I have used double backslash to print a single backslash. Now, printing single quotes. I have used / single quote. Now, printing double quotes. I have used a / double quotes. And backspace Pirai, and the last I character is deleted because I have given /b in the print statement. Okay. So that the last character is deleted. Now, overwritten text is printed here, but actually what should be the text that is printed in the console? See here, using carriage return : colon overwritten text. Now this using carriage written colon, these are replaced or overwritten by the text that is on the right side of /r. Okay, so that the result will be overwritten text full stop. Now, what is mean by comments? Comments are like they are written for better understanding for the programmers. Let's take some example like if I write some program which is of more than 1000-2000 lines, and if I left the work in between, then how could the new programmer who is resuming my work will understand? Okay, in that place, I will write some comments in the program so that the next new programmer who is resuming my work will understand what I have done in that program. Okay, so that is the use of this comments. See here, I have used a comment here, but how do we know I have used this comment? See here, I have used a has, okay, has symbol in front of the line. See here, if I have given print commented, so it not printed, and remove this has, then the answer will be commented, so it is not printed. If I have placed a has in front of it, then the answer will be none because it is commented. So the compiler will not take this line for execution. Now, come to this statement. Here I have written print hello, this is Pirai, and then I have used has print statement. So here the text which is after that hash will not be executed. It is for just for a readable purpose. And before this, this is the main print statement. Okay, so that the hello, this is Pirai is printed. Now, how we can do for multi-line? For multi-line, there's a shortcut called control plus slash. First, we want to just see here, we want to select these lines and control slash. If I want to remove the comment, then I have used control slash. This is for Google Colab because in Google Colab it won't support for multi-line comment. But if I use online GDP, then I can use at triple quotes. Okay, opening and closing of triple quotes. See here, I have opened triple quotes and then I have written multi enter line enter comments. Then I have closed that triple quotes. Then when we have executed it in this console, there is no values are printed or executed, no information are there in console. So this represent that these are multi-line command. We can also do this multi-line command like single quotes. Okay, just replace it by single quotes. Now this is to a multi-line comments. So these are all about the print statement and comments.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.